To create a subdomain for your domain on Namecheap, follow these steps. Log into your Namecheap account. Visit Namecheap and sign in with your credentials. Access the domain list. In the left sidebar, click on Domain List to view your registered domains. Manage your domain. Find the domain for which you want to create a subdomain and click the Manage button next to it. Navigate to the Advanced DNS tab. Once in the Domain Management page, click on the Advanced DNS tab. Add a new record. Scroll down to the Host Record section. Click on Add New Record. Select record type. Choose A record or CNAME record from the drop-down menu, depending on your needs. For an A record, enter the subdomain in the host field and point it to the IP address of your server. For a CNAME record, enter the subdomain and point it to another domain. Save changes. After entering the details, click the green checkmark to save the record. Propagation. Allow some time for DNS changes to propagate, which usually takes a few hours.